Welcome students of Government College Chaksu BA Part 1. I am Anshu Sharma, who is going to teach you English literature, and today I am just going to introduce you to the syllabus that is prescribed for your BA Part first. And as all of you know that by now we would have been well into our syllabus, and quite a lot would have been covered by now, but because these are special circumstances, and as everybody knows that it is the corona times, it is raining everywhere, and we have been homebound for so many months, and it is sad, and that is why today I have taken this opportunity to welcome you all and to introduce myself to you. It would have been much better if we had met face to face, and I had personally met all of you, because that creates a certain special bonding, and especially first year is extra special because all of you have now for the first time stepped into your college life, and it is of course very different from your school life, because in school everything is like straight jacketed, and it's very different. It's you can say a little more regimented, whereas college life is a little more free, and the interactions and the friendships that you develop are on a different level altogether. So even with the teachers you have a special bonding. Even the teachers you interact in a slightly different way than what you have at the school level. Now I think all of you have studied English up till your 12th standard, because English I think is a compulsory subject in most of the schools and boards, and it is not, I would not say that it is a very new subject to you, but the syllabus and the question pattern is going to be different from what you had at the 12th level. So I'm here to just discuss briefly, briefly your papers. Let me tell you that there are going to be 2 papers in all, and each paper is marked at 100 marks in total, and both the papers have been divided into 3 different sections, and basically the target, or you can say the idea, is to introduce you to the different genres of poetry, of story writing, of prose, of playwriting, of novels. Though at this time, at the first year, you do not have novels in your syllabus, but you do have stories, poems, and plays. So the paper 1, that is the title that has been given to your first paper is Poetry and Drama, and this has 3 sections in all, and the first section, the second section have poems. They comprise of poems, and interestingly we have covered poetry from the English language, that is specifically where we are covering the poets of England, and section 2 has a lot of the Indian poets who have written in English, or the poets whose poetry, poems have been translated into English. So that kind of gives you a very wide perspective at the first go of the subtle differences that exist between the English poets and the Indian poets, and the kind of society or the social background, the political background, the cultural background, how it differs, and that is very perceptible in these 2 sections. And in the third section of paper 1, you have Shakespeare. Everybody must have heard of Shakespeare. Merchant of Venice is a very popular play of Shakespeare's, and that forms the third section of your first paper. Then sorry, not Merchant of Venice, it is As You Like It, and the paper 2 comprises again of 3 sections, and in section 1 you have essays, by writers like Bacon, Hunt, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and S. Radhakrishnan. And in section B, you have popular short stories, again from both the English writers as well as the Indian writers. We have Catherine Mansfield, we have Rabindranath Tagore, we have R.K. Narayan, and so on and so forth. I'll give you the detailed syllabus as PDF in the WhatsApp group that we have formed. And the section C, interestingly, comprises of 4 different things which would promote, better writing skills. One is prose appreciation, the second is formal communication, the third is report writing, and the fourth is presentational skills. So briefly, this is the syllabus that we are going to cover in the first year. At this point, you might find certain things or certain writers, you may not have heard of them and you might find them a little difficult, but as we move on, I'll try to make them as simple and as easy as possible. I'll try to give you the background, I'll explain you the poems, the analysis, the poetic analysis. I'll do that in detail. Also, I'll give you the background of the poets and the different writers. So now I hope the PDF that you have, you will just go out and purchase the books that are available. If they are not available in Chaksu, then there is a very popular market, that is Chaura Rasta, that is in Jaipur. It's the main market where you have all the booksellers there at one place, and all the required books will be available there. You have a very thin poem of poetry. You have a very thin poem which comprises, it is specifically made for you people. It's for the first year and it is published by Macmillan. It's a very small thin book. Please get hold of that. And the other is the play by Shakespeare, that is As You Like It. As far as prose and short stories are concerned, that also you have a single book that is available. Not single, 2 books that are available at the market, very easily available. So please go and collect those books as soon as possible, because once we start off with the lectures, it will be difficult if you don't have the texts with you. Because literature, whether it's Hindi, whether it's English or any other literature, you need the text with you. Other subjects, maybe you can have reference from different various referential books, but as far as literature is concerned, you need the text. So please get hold of the text, and we'll take on from there. And I hope you do not face any difficulties, and I will try to make things as simple and as clear as possible. So with this note, I wish you a good day. See you soon again. Bye bye.